Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Kraken Armor in Grand Peace Online. This highly sought-after armor provides excellent defense, making your adventures much safer. To begin your quest, you'll need to venture into the dangerous Second Sea and face off against formidable Krakens. Remember, a minimum bounty of 4,000 is essential to even have a chance at encountering these colossal sea monsters. Let's dive into the details of how to find and defeat them. Finding a Kraken requires navigating to the rough waters of the Second Sea. A reliable starting point is to sail directly south from the boardwalk in Alabasta. Once you reach the rough waters, be prepared for a random encounter. Both Krakens and sea beasts can appear. While a bounty of 4,000 is the minimum, having a much higher bounty, perhaps 60,000 or more, will greatly improve your chances of a Kraken spawning, making your hunt more efficient. Defeating a Kraken can be challenging, but strategic planning helps. A common tactic is to lure the Kraken towards land, such as the Desert Kingdom, where you can fight it more safely. If you possess a Zushi fruit or have a friend with a flight ability like Pika, Mira, or Goro, you can farm Krakens very efficiently. Always remember to bring planks and a hammer to repair your ship, as the Kraken's attacks can be devastating. Once you successfully defeat a Kraken, it has a chance to drop pieces of Kraken armor. There are different variations, including the rare Azure Kraken armor, which is highly sought after. Since the armor pieces are direct drops, you'll need to continue farming Krakens until you've collected all the parts you desire for your set. Stay persistent, and soon you'll be equipped with this powerful armor, ready for any challenge in Grand Peace Online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.